Shy.
Is it gonna swing?
Wee.
Say hello. Leanne, look at Mama.
Wee. Wee. Fun.
Hi, Leanne.
Wee.
What's your name?
Wee.
What's your name? Can you say Leanne?
Yes.
Good job. Can we say our ABCs?
No.
Say A,
A.
B,
B.
C,
D.
D,
E.
E,
F.
F, H,
I.
J,
K.
L,
M.
N,
S.
O,
P.
Q,
Q.
R, S,
T.
U,
V.
W,
O.
X, Y, and Z. Yay! How old are you?
2.
2. We count to 10. 1. You do it. 2, 3,
3 from the
4, 5. Leanne. What comes after 5? Say 6. Say 6. 7.
Uh-oh.
Did I lose you? I love you.
Hi, Mama.
Oh. Gee, why are we getting a close-up? Who is that you have right there? Can I see him? Let me see your bunny. Oh. What does a bunny do? Hop, 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 hop. Good job. What does a lion do?
Shy.
Okay, is it time to get busy?
Okay, Mom.
Okay, are you going to come help Mom?
No.
No? Can you give me a dirty look? Look at Mama.
Sure.
Leanne, look. Where's Leanne's eyes?
Sure.
Can you say cheese?
Cheese.
Look at me and say cheese and smile. Smiles. Where's your smile? Okay, I guess she's done. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.